just having a feel of a comparison, this old button sounds and feels like an old desktop keyboard. The new G-Paddle feels like a laptop keyboard. It's a lot smoother, a lot less clicky. It's made the steering wheel just look 10 years newer, more like a modern 63 if you like. I think people are missing that aspect of it as well. Not only does it feel better, it makes your steering wheel look better. It's so much smoother. That's the whole thing, the feel, the pressing of it. Even though you're using the same button inside the steering wheel, it's like it just hinges better, so you can touch it with all your fingers, but you still have to use one finger. If anything, I'd say it encourages you to use them more.